In previous video, I showed you how to create connection to Reuters website to download Microsoft financial statements. I would like to make it a bit more automatic, and now whenever I change the ticker symbol here, it will download financial statements of that company. So how to do it? First, I need to change the URL that I used to something more flexible. So I will use concat function. Change this ticker symbol to the value in cell C2. And now this link will change whenever I will change C2 value. I will name this as IS URL and we'll go to my queries and click on edit. And now where I have a source, I can see that it's a link and I just want to change it to the value in that cell that I just created. So I will go to View, Advanced Editor. And now I will add it here URL that is equal to Excel current workbook, open brackets, close brackets, now curly brackets, square brackets, and the name, it's IS URL. In this range that we named, we want to use content, and index of this cell, because it's just one cell, it's 0, and we will use column 1 again because it's just one. So we created this URL variable and we will use it instead of the link that we had here, like that. So I don't see any errors here, so let's click done. So we see URL, source, data, and in the steps I still have changed type, which I will remove because financial statements of each company have different date, so it would show the error if we keep it there. So I will remove and now just close and load. Now it's refreshing and it's downloading financial statements of Microsoft. Okay, so now I will change it to something else. So I will use a Apple ticker, which is aapl.oq. So instead of Microsoft, I will write AAPL. Now my link has changed, and now all I need to do is refresh that query. So right click and refresh. And now it's downloading Apple income statement. So now it downloaded income statement of Apple company, and that's it. We can do the same thing for balance sheet and cash flow to have like whole file flexible, and we just refresh whenever we need it. I hope you like it and let me know if it worked for you.